I like that length if I can have it.
Yeah, you can keep it all. Yeah. What I would suggest is us going in and putting a root and then
Okay.
some lowlights in it to give you more dimension like this has in it.
Yeah.
But I want to try this one on you too, just in case you might like this one better and to tone this one brighter.
So good. Hey y'all, I'm Lacey and I drove all the way here to Lauren Ashtyn's newest location here in Spartanburg from Tennessee. I am a blogger and I like to create a lot of really fun braid styles, and I needed something to allow me to do that because my hair is actually more in this area when it comes to length. So we did the 16 to 18 luxury length extension in the color Darcy, and we added in some really pretty low lights for dimension so it matched my natural color, and I'm super excited about these. I can't wait to create some fun braids.